Today we will discuss about tailstock assembly. See, this is what the part drawing of that is tailstock. The first part, that is base part. See, the base part of this tailstock, it is having the length of that is 240 mm and height is 20 mm. And here, see, it has to be extruded to a distance of how much? That is 150, right? The top view and side view also it is given, that is 150, right? We need to go for front view. Okay, now we will select create sketch, front plane, and here we will select a rectangle command, center rectangle. In the problem they have given length is 240 mm and height is 20 mm, right? Height is 20. See here, see height is 20 or 25. Here see, you can observe, see this is the height, that is 25, not 20, that is 25. Okay, now we'll go for fusion and we'll change the height. See, that is height is 25. Okay, 25. And here I will go for finish sketch and I'm going to extrude it. Okay, you go for extrude and here you select that is symmetric. Okay, that is symmetric, that is both side. The distance here, the overall distance they have given, that is 150. Overall length, that is 150, like this. Okay, now here when you go for this part drawing, right, see this part is over. Now we go for this leg part. Okay, leg part have given the distance here. See this one, see rectangle, which is having a length of 38 mm and this height they have given that is 20 mm. And here, see here in the that is diagram you can observe. Okay, see length is 38 and this one, see here in the side view you can observe, see what is the that is see height of this ones here, 100 minus 76, it will be 24. 24 half will be 12 mm, that is 12 mm. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go for fusion. Here we'll go for base, create sketch. See this base we need to select and here we need to draw a rectangle by using 2-point rectangle command. See, from this particular side they have given the length is how much? 38. Okay, and this height they have given, that is 12 mm, right? 38, 12. And also here the distance they have given, see from this center to this edge they have given the distance, totally 76 is there. 76 half will be 38, right? Here you can observe, see in the part drawing, see 76 is there, 76 half will be 38. And again we need to sketch 4 legs. Okay, here the first one is over. Now here what we will do is by using this see reference line. Okay, we'll mirror this sketch. Okay, see this sketch, we are going to mirror it, create sketch, mirror, and here mirror line is what this one, see it has been mirrored. Now again, see I will delete this particular that is reference line. Now again I'm going to draw the vertical reference line and I'm going to mirror these two edges, these two sketches. Okay, see the 2 legs. Okay, that I'm going to mirror. Here create sketch, again mirror. See here now the reference, that is mirror line, is what? Vertical line. You click on OK and you just delete that reference line and here you click on finish. Okay, now here this leg, okay, this the extrude distance they have given in the part drawing. Here you can observe, see it has to be extruded to this distance. See this distance is what is given here, that is 20 mm. How much? 20 mm. You go for fusion and here you go for extrude. See legs 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It has to be extruded to a distance of 20 mm. See, like this. Okay, yeah. And the next one, see if you go for sketch here, here we are having one square, 65 into 65 mm square is there. Here you can observe, see this here. Here also they will the length 65, here also that is 65. This 65 into 65 square, from the end it is at a distance of 103. And also at the center there is one that is hole is there, that is radius is 12 mm. Okay, now what we need to do is again we need to go for fusion and we need to select this bottom. Okay, and here again, see you go for that is rectangle, center rectangle. See here I am going to draw a square, that is 65 into 65 square, right? And here the distance they have given, see from this particular edge to this edge they have given the distance 103 mm, right? 103. At the center again we are having one hole which is having that is radius that is 12, means diameter 24. Okay, and what I will do is I am going to apply here the horizontal constraint with respect to origin, see, like this. Okay, I'll go for finish sketch, and again I'm going to extrude it here, see, extrude. See, this one has to be extruded, okay, here to a distance. Here they have given the distance, here you can observe, see, in the that is say distance in the side view they have given the distance, that is from the bottom it is 44, see, 44. Again we'll go back to fusion, again join, okay, that is 44, that is minus 44, see, like this. You click on OK. Now we'll go for the side view. Here in the side view you can observe here we are having see, two circles, that is one is radius 36, another one is what, radius 19, and here both are at a distance of 150 mm from this particular base. Okay, now see, we'll draw one by one. Now we'll go for fusion, create sketch, you select this particular face, and here we need to draw two circles by taking origin as a reference. See, one is having that is radius 19 mm, so diameter will be 38, and another one is what, that is radius 36, it will be 72, diameter will be, that is 72. Okay, that is two circles, and this distance they have given. Okay, now see, what we will do is we are going to exhibit this vertical constraint for this. See, this circle center and this origin should be vertical. Okay, no problem. And now what we will do is we'll check, see, what is this height. See here they have given the part that is drawing this circle center to this base, the distance they have given, that is 150 mm. This height they have given, that is 150 mm. You go for this, see, sketch dimension from the center to this face, that is how much, 150 mm. Okay, see, like this. And after that, here what we need to do is again go for create, that is part drawing. Here you can observe, here what we need to do is from this we need to draw a tangent line. Okay, this distance they have given, that is a total that is 100 mm, right? Here the total is what, here 100 mm. See, now what we need to do is, okay, see, from here we need to take line command. See, from this here, from this particular edge we need to draw two lines. One is again 150 mm one side, and again another line of length again 50 mm, see, other side. And from this particular line we need to draw a tangent line, see, like this. We need to draw the tangent lines. Okay, and also here in the part drawing you can observe, here also we need to draw another line. Okay, they have given the distance, that is 38 mm. See, this time that is 38 mm. And also here, see, the dotted line here you can observe, here also we need to draw a line, means here we need to go for again create sketch. We'll just draw a line here, see, like this. See, this line from the base here again, see, in the part drawing you please check, see here from the base it is at a distance of 38 mm. See, this one, it is 38 mm, right? And again here we need to draw a line. Okay, that you will get it. See why we need to draw this line, that you will get it later. See, we need to draw a line like this. And now we'll trim the see, the extra, that is line which has been extended outside. Now here say the same thing, see, we'll delete it, see, like this. And here, see, this is what the sketch we need. We'll click on finish sketch, and now we'll go for the extruding. Here in the part drawing you can observe, see, this one, see, this is what the thing with the sketch we made here. Okay, this has to be extruded to a distance of how much, that is 30 mm. Okay, here now again fusion, here it has to be extruded. Here, see, you go for extrude command, see, all these things here including see this. Okay, yeah, see, before this what we will do is we are going to extrude this particular that is circles. Here what we will do is we will extrude it. See, this one here in the drawing they have given, here you can observe, see, in the drawing they have given, see, two, that is see, one has to be extruded, see, to see, in one side it has to be extruded a distance of 70, and another side it has to be extruded a distance of how much, 210 mm. See, 210. Now what we need to do is we need to go for fusion again. Here we need to take see, two sides. See one side, okay, see one particular side, this is 70 mm, and in another that is particular side it is 210 mm. See 210 mm, like that we need to extrude. This is the first thing. Now after that you just write the sketch, okay, and now again we need to extrude this part. See we need to extrude this part. See this and this. See this bottom. See it has to be extruded to a distance of minus 30, should be inside. See like this, here you can observe. See 30. See now we just completed this part, that is 30. Now we need to go for the next one here. See this one here, this distance they have given, that is 144 mm. See this has to be offset to a distance of 144. After that again 30 mm. After that again 30 mm. See now what we will do is again we will do the same procedure. See same extrude. See this part, this one. See these things, right? It has to be offsetted distance they have given, that is one, that is minus 144 mm. Yeah, that is right, minus 144. And again this distance minus 30. See from that minus 30. See like this, okay. See after this again what we need to do is, see we need to extrude this portion, okay. See we need to go for extrude. We need to extrude this particular portion. See this and this particular portion, it has to be extruded to a distance of take join, operation as a joint, and here it has to be extruded to a distance of again minus that is 150. See like this, you click on OK. Yeah, see this is what the thing we need to do in the, that is second step. And after that here, see we need to delete this. Here see, here the hole should be what, through hole. Here see, here we need to delete this space. You just right click and delete, okay. See now it is open. Yeah, see like this we need to do the part modeling. And after this, okay, see after this what we need to do is we need to add the radiuses, okay. Here if you go for part drawing, here see, here first thing is that, see for this particular side we need to, that is back side, we need to provide a radius of 45 mm, okay. That again I will go for the model. And here I need to add a what, fillet. See for this particular portion they have given the radius value, that is 45. See this is 45, okay. Now see after this we need to again add the radius, okay. Here see this portion is over, again we will go for drawing. And here you can observe, see at this parts here, for this particular side and opposite side again we need to add a radius, okay. That radius value is around 28 mm is there, okay. That is 28 mm. Here we'll go for fusion, okay. Here we need to add the radius, see fillet. See for this particular edge and also this particular edge, the radius value they have given, that is 28 mm, okay. That is 28 mm, okay, like this. Yeah, now the next part what we need to do is we need to add the again radius for the inner edges, okay. For a that is radius they have given, that is 24 mm, okay. Here you can observe, see now what we will do is we will go for these edges, okay. See this inside edges, see they have given the radius of that one, that is 24 mm, okay. Here see actually the radius will be here, say at this particular portion, okay. Here at this particular portion we need to add the radius value. See the radius is how much, that is 24, okay. Here, okay. Now what we'll do is we'll go for again fusion. Here we need to add fillet, see for this particular edge and also this particular edge, that is 24 mm. We need to add a radius of 24 mm. And after that again for these edges here, for these edges again they have given the radius, that is 12 mm. The radius is how much, 12 mm, okay. Now here again you go for fusion and you just add the fillet here. See for this particular edges, see these two edges, fillet 1 and again 2, they are given the radius, that is 12 mm. Yeah, finish, okay. Now after this again, see for this back side, see for this back side we need to add a radius, okay. Here you can observe in the drawing, here they have given the radius value. Okay, here the radius value for this particular that is back end is what that is 20 mm. Okay, and for this front end they have given radius 38 mm. Okay, one is 20, another one is what, that is, yeah, one is that is radius 20, another one is what, that is 38 mm. Okay, now what we will do is we'll apply the radius for this back edge. Okay, here see this one, go for fillet. See, for this particular edge we need to add a radius that is 20 mm. Okay, and after this we need to add a fillet for this front edge. The distance, the radius value they have given, that is 38 mm. You click on OK. Okay, now see, this is what the main thing what we need to do is, and here we left see one that is step here, that is you need to go for here create sketch. You select this particular that is front plane, and here you go for line command, and here see in the part rank also they have mentioned here, see here this part we need to draw a 12 mm circle here, which is at a distance of see 1 mm height, and inside it is 9 mm. Okay, now here what we will do is we'll go for again fusion. See here, take line command. See, from this particular edge you need to draw. Here I don't get any reference point, that's why I'm going to project this particular edge. Okay, see project. Okay, say this particular edge I'm going to project. See here, this height it will be 1 mm, and again see this distance. Okay, this distance that is 9 mm. Okay, and here we need to draw a circle of that is diameter that is 12 mm. Okay, see like this, and after that you just remove these reference that is lines here. Okay, this and this, and now you click on finish sketch, and you just unhide the sketch here. Okay, see here, just unhide the sketch, and you just revolve it, keep it to home position, and you just revolve this. Okay, okay, in order to revolve this one you need some center axis. Okay, that's why you go for construct, you select axis through cylinder. Okay, see the cylinder you select, you click on OK, and now you go for revolve, and here see axis is what, this one. Here the operation is what, that is join. Operation is what, join. Okay, and after this again we need to add a that is fillet here. For the two edges we need to add a fillet in the part drawing also they have mentioned here. So here again we need to add a fillet of that is 5 mm. Okay, here again we'll go for here for fusion. Here I'm going to hide this axis. Okay, here what we need to do is we need to add a fillet. See, for this particular edge, and again this inner edge. Okay, we need to add a fillet of 5 mm. See like this, you click on OK. See like this. Okay, see this is what the first part here, that is base part. Here what we'll do is we are going to apply the material. Okay, here the material which I'm going to apply for this the base part is what that is cast iron. Okay, I will go for metal. You go for cast steel or cast iron, which are the suitable material for this that is the body part. Okay, cast iron or cast steel. Okay, in both okay, you can select any one out of that one. Okay, yeah, iron cast is there, you just select it and you apply the material, you click on OK, and after that you convert this body into what, component. You right click, create component from bodies, and we just add the properties here. Okay, here the property is what, here see part number 1. Okay, this is body part. Okay, body. Okay, click on OK, close, and now you just save this that is file. Here I have one that is folder, that is see Tailstock is there. I have one folder, you just save this file. Okay, that is body. Yes, the second part in case of Tailstock is what, barrel. Let me open part drawing of barrel. See, this is what the barrel part. See, these are the dimensions. That is it consists of see here all these dimensions. Let me go for fusion, and here see you go for create sketch, you select a front plane, and here you need to draw two circles of diameter. See, one is 38 mm. Okay, here in the sketch only they have given. See, here we need to draw two circles. See, one is radius 19 means diameter 38, and another one is what diameter 22. Okay, let me go for fusion, and here first I will draw one circle of diameter 38 mm, and after that I will go for again circle. I will draw another circle of diameter 22. Okay, and here I will click on finish sketch. Now I'm going to extrude it. Okay. Now this has to be extruded to a distance of around 265 mm. Again, this is available in this sketch here. You can observe. See the distance from here to here, that is 265 mm. Okay, 265. Go for again fusion. Here you need to extrude it. See like this. This full that is solid rod has to be extruded to a distance of 265. See, 265 mm. Then you please click on OK. Then after that, what we need to do is we'll go for again that uh, part drawing, and we'll observe, see what is the next step. In the next step, what we need to do is we need to see offset this, that is the 22 mm diameter. See the circle what we have done, right? That we need to offset to a distance of around 45 mm, and we need to take operation as a cut. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go for again here, you just switch on this sketch. Okay, here you just extrude this 22 diameter circle. Okay, and it has to be offsetted to a distance they have given, that is 45 mm, right? The offset distance is 45 mm, and after that the operation you need to create a full that is hole here. Okay, by selecting operation as a what, cut. And after that what we need to do is, see, we'll go for again, see here, go for create sketch, and here you select this see inner, that is hole which we have created, right? That inner hole we need to select, and here we need to draw a circle of diameter 60 here. See this one, right? See this diameter, I'm talking about this one here. We need to draw a circle of diameter 16 mm. Okay, diameter how much? 16 mm. See, diameter 60, like this. Then you click on finish sketch. Okay, then again once again, see, you go for this part drawing. Now we need to draw another two circles. One is having diameter 22, another one is what, 20 mm. Okay, now what we will do is we'll go for again fusion. See, create sketch, and this back face we will select. See this one. Okay, and here one circle, that is 22 diameter, right? And another that is 20 diameter, another is what, 20 diameter. Now here you can observe, see, here we have two circle, one is 20 and another one is what, 22. Okay, the next step what we need to do is we need to connect that 20 mm circle and also the inner 16 mm circle. Here what we need to do is we need to connect by using a loft command. So you select loft command. Here see this inner circle. See, you go for here, you add the profiles. See, loft command. See this inner. Okay, see here this inner 20 mm and this one 16 mm. Okay, that is 20, 16, and you just click on OK. See, now here you can observe. See this one will get step like this. See, now the last step is that here we need to make some groove like structure. Here the groove dimensions also they have given here. See, you can observe. See, this 2016 is over that groove dimension. See, they have given groove, that is length is 5 mm and height is how much, 3 mm. Length is 5 and height is 3 mm. Then again you go for here fusion, and you select this edge here. Okay, see this one, that is back end. Go for create sketch, and you select this particular face, and now you can make use of this rectangle. See, rectangle by a center command. Here from this particular that is see end, we need to draw a rectangle. Okay, see rectangle, that is height they have given, right? Height is total that is 3 mm is there. I will take 6 mm. So from the center it will be 3 3, and again this, that is length they have given. See, the length is around 5 mm. See here you can observe. See, if you measure once again, if you measure from here to here, you can observe. See, here it will be 3. Okay, if I take driven dimension, see, that is 3 mm. If I take distance from here to the center, right, then again it will be 2.5. See, if I take 2.5. Okay, now you go for finish sketch, and you just unhide that particular sketch. Okay, and you just extrude it by selecting operation as a what, cut. See, this one, take it, you just drag it by selecting operation as a what, cut. Okay, and here now I'm going to hide the dimensions, so the sketches. And now what we'll do is I'm going to apply the material. For barrel I'm going to apply material as a steel. Okay, but in Fusion 360 you already know that if you won't apply any material also, it will take that is a default material as a steel, right? Now I won't apply any material because it has taken default material as a steel. Now I will convert this body into component, and you just add the properties. Okay, here the part number is second, and the part name is what, barrel. Okay, and here you can observe, see, the material is what, steel. Okay, you click on close, and you just save this particular that is the component. Okay, this is what my folder. Now I am going to save this. Okay, the part name is what, that is barrel, right, barrel. The third part in case of Tailstock is what, center. And let me open the part drawing of center. See, this is what the part modeling of that is sketching of that is the center part. Here, see, we start from this end. That is, first we need to draw a circle of that is 16 mm, right? Then after that, at a distance of 45 mm, we need to insert another plane. Okay, and there we need to insert another circle of that is diameter 20 mm. Okay, now see, I will go for fusion. Here, create sketch, I will select front plane, and here see what is the that is first circle is 16 mm diameter, that is 16 mm diameter. And what we need to do is we need to click on finish sketch, and here what we need to do is we need to insert another plane using this offset plane. Okay, at a distance of how much, that is 45. Okay, we need to insert 45 plane. Click on OK, then again create sketch, to select this particular plane, and here you can observe, see, we need to draw a 20 mm circle here, and we need to join these two by using loop command. See, again you go for fusion. Here we need to draw another circle, that is 20 mm that is diameter. Okay, we will go for 20. Okay, then you click on finish sketch, and you just join these two, that is create. You go for loop command. See, this circle and this circle, see, you need to join by using the loop command. Then after that, here you can observe, if you go for part drawing, see, this is what the next one. See, next we need to draw another circle of diameter 22, and it has to be extruded to a distance of 32 mm. Okay, we will do one thing. Again, we'll go for create sketch. We will select this particular face, right? And here, what is the diameter? See, the diameter of the that is circle. Here you can observe, that is 22 diameter, 32 that is distance. Okay, 22 diameter. You click on finish sketch. Now it has to be extruded here. See, this has to be extruded to a distance of 32 mm. See, this one, it has to be extruded to a distance of 32 mm. See, like this, that is 32 mm. Okay, now after this what we need to do is that once again we need to go for this create sketch, and here see, we need to go for this part. Actually, see, in order to design this part, we are having see, another that is a step. That is what we can do is we can go for here create sketch. No, we just extrude. See, we will extrude this that is part to a distance of 30 mm, and also the taper angle is what, that is 30 degree, that is minus 30 degree. Okay, see, minus 30 degree. 30 minus 30. Okay, so please click on OK. See, this is what the part, that is center part, which we need. Okay, now see, we'll apply, that is materializer steel, and we know that in Fusion 360 it will take a default materializer steel. And now we will go for create this body, okay, into components. Now we'll add the properties, like say we'll go for properties, and here we'll add the properties like part number, that is 3. Part name is what? That is center. See, yeah, center. See, like this. You click on close and you just save this, that is part, right? The part name is what? That is center, right? Yeah, like this. You just save the part. Before birth, in case of tailstock assembly is what screw spindle. Let me open the part drawing of screw spindle. See, these are all the dimension of screw spindle. Okay, see, first one we'll go for this. See, here we need to draw a sketch of diameter, that is 22 mm, right? And it has to be extruded to a distance of 225. We'll go for fusion. Say create sketch, front plane, and here I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 22. Okay, and after that I'm going to extrude it. Okay, say extrude distance they have given, that is 225 mm. We go for extrude. The distance is how much? 225. Like this. You click on OK. Then again we'll go for the next. See, next part is this one, right? See, this is having see, the distance is 20 mm and the diameter is 38 mm. Okay, here again I will go for create sketch. Okay, see, create sketch. I will select this particular face, and here I'm going to draw a circle of 38 mm diameter, and now I'm going to extrude it. Extrude. See, this face has to be extruded to a distance of 20 mm. See, like this. I'm going to extrude it for a 20 mm distance. And the last one, see, last one here they have given the diameter is 15 and this distance is 30 mm. Okay, again you go for fusion. See, create sketch. You select this particular face, and here we need to draw a circle, right, which is having the diameter 15 mm. Okay, and it has to be extruded to a distance of that is 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm. Yeah, fine. Now here again, see, I'm going to take default material, that is steel, for this particular that is screw spindle part, and I'm going to convert this into component, and I'm going to add the properties. That is, see, this is the part number 4. Part name is what? Screw spindle. Okay, screw spindle, and you just save this, that is fine. Okay, now close. Now I'm going to save this file in this tailstock, that is folder. Okay, this is the fourth part, screw spindle. Okay, like this. Yes, the last part in case of tailstock assembly is what? Hand wheel. Let me open part drawing of a hand wheel. See, this is what the hand wheel here. What we need to do is we need to draw 4 circles here. One is 16 mm diameter, then 21, 88 and 100. Okay, now what we will do is we'll go for fusion, create sketch, we'll select front plane. We'll draw first circle. Okay, that is having a diameter of 16 mm. Then second circle having a diameter of 21 mm, and third circle which is having a diameter of 88 mm, and the last one, okay, which is having diameter of what? 100. Okay, yeah. Now what we need to do is we need to click on finish sketch, and here we need to add the thickness here. Okay, here in the drawing they have given the thickness value, that is 5 mm, right? 5 mm. Again fusion. Here you just extrude it. See, this one and this particular sketch symmetrically. You please extrude it to a overall length of how much? 5. Like this. And after this, here in the part drawing you can observe here it is provided with radius here, that is 2.5 mm. Okay, again we'll go for the fusion, and see, that is fillet. See, this particular edge, this outer, they are having the see, fillet of 2.5 mm, right? I have given the radius, that is 2.5 mm. Okay, yeah, 2.5. Then you please click on OK. Yeah. Now the next part is that we need to add a plane here. Okay, here we need to add a plane here. For that one here, see, since it is a cylindrical surface, we need to add a tangent plane. Okay, you go for here, see tangent plane, and see, you check it, yeah, it is good. Then you click on OK. Then you keep it in home position. Then again create sketch. You select this tangent plane, and here you just draw a circle from this center of diameter 4 mm. Okay, here see, like this. Then again you click on finish sketch, and you just extrude this up to this particular that is face. And here you take it as a that is join. Then you please click on OK. Then after that, what we need to do is we need to pattern. You need to make a pattern of this. Go for your create. You take a pattern. See circular pattern. You select the feature. Okay, and here axis. Say axis. You take this circle as a reference. See 13. We need 13 number of that is copies. You click on OK. See, like this. And after this, we'll go for designing this handle. Here you go for create sketch. You select one particular face here. Here approximately here we need to create that is circle. I will take approximately that is 3 mm. Okay, like this. And here you just extrude it here. See, you just extrude it to a distance of that is 8 mm. That we will check here. See here. So it has to be extruded to a distance of 6 mm, right? See, this is 4 mm, then 6 mm, right? Okay. Now we'll go for here. We'll go for here. See, we just extrude it. Extrude. See, you just extrude this to a distance of 6 mm. Okay. You just keep it to home position so that it will be visible. See, like this 6 mm. Okay. And here you go for again create. You select here that is sphere. See, you select this particular face. From the center you just create a sphere of 5 mm, and the operation is what join, and you click on OK. See, like this. Okay, this is what the anvil we need. Okay, and here also I will take a default material as a that is steel. Okay, now we'll convert this body into what component, and here the component name is what here. See, here we have two bodies. Let me check. See, what are those two bodies here? Okay, I'll come back, and here I will check the bodies. Here one is okay. Yeah, this one we don't take it as a new body. Okay, what we will do is we will take this that is a sphere as a joint. Okay, and now, yeah, okay. See this one. Uh, Let me check here. Yeah, this extruded part here, extruded part, you need to take it as a what? Join, not new body. So you click on OK. Now there is a single body is there. You do one thing here, you convert this body into what component, and you just add the properties for the component. This is part number 5. Part name is what? Hand wheel, right? That is hand wheel, and you just save that component. Close. See, then you just save this. That is hand wheel. Okay, like this. Now we'll discuss the assembly of Tailstock. See, first thing is that you need to insert a new design, and you need to save this. See, I'm going to save this as a Tailstock assembly. Okay, like this. And after that, the procedure will be very simple. You just drag and drop the components. See, first one is body. I'm going to just drag and drop it on the canvas, and now I will click on OK, and I'm going to ground this. Okay, see, like this. And after this I will go for inserting the second part, that is barrel. Yeah, we just insert the barrel like this, and I'm going to keep it to proper position like this. and after that I will go for again assemble, that is joint command. Here I'm going to select this particular that is yeah, base. Here see this one, it has to be assembled to this particular that is edge, see like this, and I'm going to flip it, see like this reverse, I'm going to flip it, and here I'm just going to rotate it. Okay, I'm going to keep that group part here, see at the bottom like this. At the same time I'm going to provide the motion here. Okay, see, I'm going to provide revolute motion for this. Okay, that is again 360 degree. Now for this part we will take it as a rigid. Okay, then we click on, okay, actually it has to be rotate. Okay, we'll take revolve, no problem, revolve, yeah, like this. Okay, and now we'll go for the third part. See, third part is that is center, just drag and drop the center part. Okay, and you keep it to proper position like this. Okay, see, I'll paste like this. We'll click on OK, then again joint command, and joint command here I'm going to select this particular edge. Okay, see this that is particular edge, it has to be assembled to this particular that is edge. Okay, here, see like this, and here I'm going to keep see the motion as a slider. It has to be slide inside like this. Okay, I'll set the distance 0, and maximum distance I will take it as a 25. Yeah, 25 is enough. Then preview limit, see like this, you click on OK. Then the third one, see, okay, third part is over. I'll go for the fourth part. See, fourth part is what, the screw spindle, just drag and drop that screw spindle. Okay, and now you keep it to a particular position like this. Okay, see, I'm going to position like this, click on OK, then you go for assembly. See this particular that is space I'm going to select, see this space. Okay, this particular edge and this particular edge I'm going to select, see like this. And here I want cylindrical that is revolute motion. Okay, 0, and maximum will be 360 degree, that I'm going to select. Then preview limits. Okay, then I will click on OK. And the last part in case of Tailstock is that is a hand wheel. You just drag and drop the hand wheel like this, and after that you just keep it to a particular position like this. See, I'm going to rotate it like this, see here, yeah, yeah, this is enough for me. Okay, click on OK, and here joint, and you select this particular face, and see this face. Okay, it's that particular edge, and this edge you need to select, and here see you need to move it little inward, see like this, yeah, it is good. Okay, and here motion I'm going to provide is what, a revolute 0, and maximum will be 360 degree. Okay, then you click on OK, yeah, fine, see like this. Okay, and after this what we can do is, yeah, we'll go for the next part. See, next part is what, that is drafting. Before that let me check this. Okay, see, that is motion. Okay, here I will go for motion link. Here yeah, slider, yeah, no problem. Here we need to select the slider and this revolute. Here you can observe, see, yeah, okay. And the next part is what, drafting. We'll go for see, we change the workspace from design to drawing. See, from design. Okay, and you click on OK, and see, yeah, you place like this. If you want, you can change the that is scale. I will take 1:6. Yeah, after I'm going to keep like this, and here I need visible and invisible edges. Okay, and after that I will project the views. Okay, see, side view and top view, then isometric view. And isometric view I'm going to keep it to the top, and here I'm going to take it as a shaded, see like this, shaded. And after that I will go for the that is dimensions. Here auto dimension is there. If you want, you can make use of that. See auto dimension. See, we'll take baseline dimensions. Okay, see baseline dimensions like this. You click on OK, and whatever the other things, the dimensions you want to mention, you can go for it. And you just mention all the dimensions, whatever you need. Then you go for tables, and then parts list. See, this is what the parts list. You keep it like this. Okay, and after this, here the description you don't need. See the description that I'm going to yeah, uncheck it. Here you click on OK, then see, you just move your table to whatever the position you want. You keep like this. Then you just drag the that is balloons inside. See like this. Okay, yeah, like this. You just drag all these balloons. Then after this, see, if you want to take a printout, you go for export PDF, open PDF. Okay, see, it will ask you to where you want to save. Yeah, I want to save in this particular that is, yeah, say untitled PDF. Okay, no problem. I don't want to change any name. You keep as it is. See, this is what the PDF you are going to get. Okay, see, like this. Okay, thank you.